Okay, you ready? Hop up. Stay.
Just to show the length of it.
Good boy, Zuki.
Come on then.
Come on.
Alright, now we just have to quickly walk over to these ramps.
Yeah, good boy.
Very quickly. Yeah. Zuki. Yeah.
What are we gonna do, hey? Good boy.
To the ramp so we can hide behind them. And I'm going to set the camera up really quickly. Oh, I hope not. That'd be a bit awkward. I'm just going to set the camera up on this gate because I want to go out of sight as well. Zuko's going on the ramp.
What are you doing, mister?
Right, where should I put it? About here?
Can you see everything?
Yeah,
Can you see the ramp?
yeah.
Come here, Zuko.
It's eating acorns.
Zuko, come here. Sit. Sit. Stay. Good boy. See those lip licks then. You just see him licking. Ready? Nervous? Ready, Zuko? Down. Stay. Oh, let me actually grab the camera for this one.
Hello. Get to mum. Get to mum.
Good boy. Ready? Down. Down. Up, down. Stay.
Stay.
Good boy.
Good boy, you're
Nervous wreck
done.
today, aren't you? Yeah, what's all those